Hello guys, I'm back with another unboxing video. This time is quite special because I won the raffle for the first time from the Nike.com. I was so surprised and I was not expecting anything, so it's really nice to win one, right? And this is a packaging that I got yesterday, and I ordered the size UK 8, US 9, and it's a Korean 270, and it's simple. Packaging is really clean though, red with the white logos. Let me just open the shoes, how it looks like. It's very simple. It's a 덩크로우, Michigan, and it's the color match with the yellow and navy is always great. So let me just put it on the top of the box. See, the quality of the shoes is quite nice. There's no scratch or bond as far as I can see, and the yellow and the navy color match actually stands out a lot, and it looks really nicer in real life, to be honest. Here's the look, and this is the back of the shoes. Bottom of the shoes is normal, nothing special, navy colored bottom sole, and inside there's Nike Sushi logo in orange, and yeah, this is the front look. Very clean. It was really comfy as well, and if you guys are thinking of it, I think it's not too expensive right now. I got it for like $100, and the price right now for resale is almost like $180 in Korea right now. So if you guys are into retro vibe of Nike, you should get this one also. I was thinking that I was gonna get 덩크로우 black and white, but I think I'm happy with this one too. Okay, thanks for watching my videos. I think I'm gonna come back with another unboxing, and if you like my videos, please subscribe and like the video buttons, and thank you so much for watching. I'll see you soon. Bye bye.